The last vlog that we made is back to school shopping. Now we are going to teach you how to cover a book in plastic. It's very exciting. Come on, let's start. Book. Plastic cover. Tape. Scissors. And the card. First, prepare and cut the tapes into small pieces. Then place the book in the plastic roll and cut according to the book size. Make sure to cut it at least an inch bigger than the book. Now that it's already cut, let's cut like this is the part. A slant and straight cut of about an inch also. Then do it on the other side too. Make sure all sides have the same margin. Fold and use the card to flatten well the side of the plastic. Put at least 2 tapes on both sides. Then do it on the other side too. Now let's cut this edge diagonally. Do it in the other side. Flatten it again using the card. And put tape at least 3 in both edges. And in the middle, do it in the other side. Awkward excess plastic. It's done! Our book now is already beautiful covered. And that's it. Thank you for joining me in this episode. Is this helpful to you? Let us know. Leave us a comment and we will be glad to read that. This has been Jara. And see you in our next vlog. See you!